Module 9, hooks. This is where things get serious. Hooks are your safety layer. They run before or after Claude uses a tool. All right, so remember the tool use loop from Module 1? Claude sends a request. The harness executes it. Result comes back. Hooks sit in the middle of that loop. They intercept the tool call before the harness executes it or after. Pre-tool use hooks run before. They can inspect what Claude wants to do and block it. Claude wants to read the .env file. Nope, blocked. Post-tool use hooks run after. They can validate what Claude just did. Claude edited a TypeScript file. Let me run the type checker. Oh, there are errors. Let me tell Claude. The key is the exit codes. Exit code 0 means allow. The tool call proceeds normally. Exit code 2 means block. The tool call is prevented, and your error message gets sent to Claude as feedback. That feedback part is critical. When you block a tool call, Claude needs to know why. Otherwise, it just tries the same thing again. You cannot read the .env file as feedback that Claude understands and adjusts to. Hooks are configured in your settings. JSON file, 3 levels, same as Claude.md, global ~/dot, Claude/settings.json. Applies everywhere, project.claude/settings.json. In your project root, committed to Git, local.claude/settings, local JSON, personal overrides, Git ignored. Each hook has 2 parts, a matcher, which tools it applies to, and a command, what script to run. The matcher uses pipe syntax. Read pipe grep means this hook runs when Claude uses read or grep. Star means all tools. The command is any shell command, usually node hooks, myhook.js, or a bash one-liner. The hook receives JSON on stdin with the tool name and all input parameters. You can chain multiple hooks. Pre-tool use can have a security hook and a logging hook. They run in sequence. Let me walk you through the full flow. Claude requests a tool call. I want to read this file. Pre-tool use hook fires. Your script receives JSON, tool name is read, file path is .env. Your script checks, is this a sensitive file? Yes. Console error, you cannot read the .env file, exit code 2 blocked. Claude gets the feedback. Okay, I can't read that file. Let me find another way to get the information I need. Now let's say Claude requests an edit. Pre-tool use fires, your script checks, is this a sensitive file? No, it's app.g, exit code 0, allowed. The harness executes the edit. App.js is modified. Post-tool use hook fires. Your script runs the type checker, no errors. Exit code 0, all good. If the type checker had found errors, exit code 2. Claude gets the error messages as feedback. Type error on line 42. Property name does not exist. Claude fixes it automatically. That's the full loop with hooks. Module 9, hooks introduction. Pre-tool use runs before, can block. Post-tool use runs after, can validate. Exit 0 allows, exit 2 blocks with feedback. Matchers target specific tools. Commands run any script. 3 configuration levels. Your mission, read module 10 next. That's where we write actual hook code. But first, think about what you'd want to block or validate in your project. What files should Claude never read? What checks should run after every edit? Write those down before moving on. Go do the thing.